This is Wakala. Keep an eye out for the absolute highlight, the spike element. The train shoots up over a lake, then plunges backward. It's wild, stay tuned.
For a fully immersive 180 degrees experience, use a VR headset to watch this video.
Wakala. In 3D.
Dass du daher gefahren hast. Ich war so auf die Bremse wahrscheinlich.
Ich hab auch gedacht, wenn ich jetzt da gleich immer reinknalle.
Schön. Oh, ja. Tracks End. Ehrlich. Ehrlich, ehrlich.
Alright, that wraps up our ride on Wakala. Hope you guys enjoyed checking out this unique coaster. But before we sign off, here are a few quick, cool facts you might not have known. Wakala was actually the biggest single investment at Belwerda Park since '99, costing 7.5 million euros. The name Wakala comes from an old legend of the Kwakiutl indigenous people from Canada, and that's why the trains are themed like canoes. And get this, unlike most family coasters, Wakala has 2 lift hills. And the coolest part? That wild spike element, where you go backward, makes Wakala one of the very few coasters in the world with that feature.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more theme park videos. See you next time.